Good morning, sir. I'm Pimpan Nuvu of class 11T, C number 19. Here I'm going to discuss the introduction part of the chapter S block elements. The first elements of alkalic and alkalines earth metal differs in many respects from the other members of the group. The S block elements of the periodic tables are those in which the last electrons or valence electron enter the outermost s orbitals. They are called as s block elements. Since we know that the s orbitals can accommodate only two electrons in its orbitals, so we have a two group 1 and group 2 belongs to the s block of a periodic table. Lithium and beryllium of elements of group 1 and group 2 respectively exhibit some property which are different from those of the other members of their respective group. In these anomalous properties, they resembles or they show same properties as the second elements of the following group. These types of diagonal similarities is commonly refers to as a diagonal relationship in the periodic table. The diagonal relationship is due to the similarities in ionic size or charge or reduced ratio of an elements. Hence, the monovalent sodiums and potassium ions and the divalent magnesium and the calcium ions are found in the large proportions in the biological fluids, and these ions perform important biological functions such as maintaining of ion balance and nerve impulsion conductions. And next I'm going to talk more details or about the group 1's elements, which is commonly called as alkalic metals. The group 1's of a periodic table consists of elements lithium atomic number 3, sodium atomic number 11, potassium atomic number 19, rubidium atomic number 37, cesium atomic number 55, and francium atomic number 87. These elements are collectively known as alkalic metals. They are so called alkalic metal because they form hydroxides on reacting with water H2O, which is strongly alkalines in the natures. Amongst the alkalic metals, the sodium and the potassiums are abundant in the nature. Abundance means which can found in the large compounds, and the lithium and the rubidium and cesiums have much lower abundance compared to the sodium and potassiums, which means they are less found in the natures in the compounds. And next, the francium atomic number 87 is highly radioactive, and it largely leaves isotopes, and 223 francium has an half-life of only 20 minutes. The general configuration of S block elements of alkalic metals is the noble gas NS1s. For examples, since we talked about the lithium atomic number is 3, so we can write its electronic configuration as 1s2 and 2s1s, or we can write in as helium 2s1s. Again, we talked about the sodium's atomic number 11s. We can write its electronic configuration as 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6 and 3s1s. And also we can write is neons, which is noble gas, and 3s1s. This is its electronic configuration of the alkalic metals. And the lithium shows similarities properties to the magnesiums. This types of diagonal similarity is commonly refers to as an diagonal relationship. Diagonal relationship. And next, I'm going to talk about the group 2 elements, which are known as alkaline earth metal. The elements of group 2 includes beryllium, atomic number 4, magnesium, atomic number 12, calcium, atomic number 20, uh, strontium, atomic number 38, barium, atomic number 56, and rhenium, atomic number 88. These elements, with the exception of berylliums, are commonly known as alkaline earth metals. They are called alkaline earth metal because their oxides and hydroxides are alkaline in nature, and these metal oxides are found in the earth crust. Therefore, they are known as alkaline earth metal. Uh, of the alkaline earth metals, calciums and the magnesiums are rate and fifth and sixth in the abundance respectively, which means that they found in compounds in our natures. They are ranked as fifth and sixth in the periodic table of elements, and the strontiums and barium has much lower abundance compared to the calciums and the magnesiums, and beryllium is the rare, and rubidium is the rarest of comparison only 10 raised to power negative 11 percentage of igneous rocks, which means that berylliums cannot find in the compounds in the natures, and the among of the elements of an alkalic earth metals are rhenium is the rarest among them. Then the electronic configuration of s block elements of an alkaline earth metals is noble gas ns2. For examples, if we talk about the beryllium atomic number 4, we can write its electronic configuration as 1s2 and 2s2, or we can write it as in the forms of noble gas ns2, which is helium 2s2. And if we talk about the magnesium atomic number 12 mg, which electronic configuration can be write as 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6 and 3s2, or we can write as neons 3s2. The first elements of the alkalic earth metal beryllium differ from the rest of the members and show the diagonal relationship to aluminum. Thank you, sir.